All great bathrooms start with a beautiful vanity. Here's my top 5 tips on how to create yours with Australia's online bathroom specialists, the Blue Space. Consider the space. Think about the whole space, the waste outlet position, and the location of any existing taps. Decide on the taps. You'll need to choose between basin or bench mounted taps versus the wall mounted ones. This will determine the type of basin you need and where it should be positioned, and if your vanity is going to need a tap hole. Create your vision. Think about how you'll use your vanity and what's important to you. Order ahead. Most vanities are made to order and there's usually a short lead time. Install last. Your vanity should be the last product installed by your plumber or builder after the tiles. Plus, if you upgrade to the premium European hardware, any final adjustments are easy. So go on, what are you waiting for? A better bathroom is just a click away at thebluespace.com.au.